of factoring these is that it is a perfect square trinomial. Now the reason it's called a perfect square is because first of all, trinomial means three terms, 1, 2, 3, so three parts. And perfect square means the first and the last are perfect squares. So it's because x is squared, and then the last term, the square root of 64, is 8. So when you have a perfect square trinomial, you make parentheses with the square, you write the first term in, you bring down the x, this sign here goes inside, and then the square root of 64 is 8. Now some people freak out a little bit because they don't know what happened to the 16x. Well, look at this. 2 times 8 is 16 times x is 16x. So the 16x is still there, it's just kind of hidden away. So this is the answer. So again, parentheses with the squared, bring down the first letter, bring down the first sign. The last one is the square root. The square root of 81 is 9, because 9 times 9 equals 81. And then you can check it. 2 times 9 times u is 18u, and that's what you have in the middle. Make your parentheses with your squared. You have a u, a minus sign, and the square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 equals 25. 2 times 5 is 10 times u is 10u, so that's what you had in the middle, so you are correct.